Hello once again. Here we are again, and again we will be continuing our what do you call this? Our project. So last time we are done with the selection of our icons. So now we will be choosing um the proper layouting of this. So let's do this. So first, with regards to the code, I have to properly identify the what do you call this? The naming for the naming for my elements. So let's do that. So let's go back to our button. Where is it? So here we have the nav menu. Then we have the actual input, the toggle checkbox. Then we have the label class. I think let's refer to our so I think I'll be using this one. So the label I personally would like to have this one's wait, should I use I'll use div instead of um anchors. I'll use this one. I think I prefer divs more than anchors since the buttons themselves don't have any reason to use anchors. They would not redirect, so I don't need them. Then here there's a specific dimension for the height and width. I almost forgot our where is it? Oh, okay, it's okay. So the only challenge here is to identify the proper what do you call this? The proper combinations So we have the input toggle, we have the check. I think I should move this one first. It's giving us too much scroll area, so let's put them below first for the meantime. So what else? I think I should it's better for me to recolor everything first. So the knob menu, let's inspect element. So the knob menu is the main container of everything that is related to the knob. So the color of the background is gray. Next is the input checkbox, which is hidden. Next would be the label. The label wherein we actually press the button. I don't think okay, so the line height and the font size they do not even work. Let's just comment this for now. They are not useful, so we commented that. So this is for the menu button. Next we are going to fix the, what do you call this, the overflow. The div boundary. Then the label. I think the label should have been more than enough. So the label, menu button, is color brown. It has overflow hidden, or maybe wait a minute. What did he use? Did they use clip path? Nope, they don't. What they use is they use overflow hidden. Yep, they used overflow hidden. So going back to the structure of their HTML, they used div for these two. So maybe I should apply the size of menu button in the boundary also. So let's try that. Boundary. What if I use 48px also? So how did this become? So there is 48 plus 16, so there's a padding, so let's do that. Padding 16 px. Okay. That looks bad now. Let's try position. Relative seems to have fixed the clipping. Let's try display flex and try to fix the alignment. Okay, so what's happening? What's happening now? So maybe let's remove the padding from the label. Oh, it gets smaller. We need that padding. Okay, maybe that's our mistake. It's trying to translate the position of by 50px. Wherein we are actually using 48. Let's check the dimensions for the button. They are even using 70px. So I would like to have all buttons. Maybe I should just display all the buttons for now. Would it work if I use div? Nope, it did not. So let's try this for now. So we have 4 temporary buttons. Maybe I should not put anything on the nav menu. Only the position. Let's go back. Nav menu. So this is the holder of our of the menu. So the background is gray, the width is fit content. Should I okay. So the position of our nav menu is absolute. So the width is not needed here. Maybe the overflow is also not needed. Or likely it's not needed, so let's remove this. So we are doing the bare minimum. We are removing unneeded stuff. So after the nav menu, we have the input toggle, which is we can disregard this. Next is the label, in which the buttons are going to be pressed. So the label has two things inside of it. Maybe I should not put button here. Instead of menu button, I'll use menu dash label so that I don't get confused. Okay, it seems working. So we have the padding. So the padding is needed. The display flex is needed. Background color is there temporarily. Border radius for the circle. Height and width. But why is the hover? So this is probably overflow. Hidden is not needed here also. So burger close. The span itself is being translated. The position is absolute. So most likely the boundary should be position relative. It seems better now, but oh, I think it's a boundary. Okay, so menu label. So let's try this first. We will be removing CSS from the menu label, and then we are going to put everything in the menu button. That's better, but we have to remove the height and width. Okay, there we go. It's fixed. So let's try again. Hard reload. So it works quite well now. The overflow is not problematic anymore. So the label, where is the label? The menu label is unused now, except for a reference for the font. Okay, that's a good step forward. So for the other buttons, let's start. I think boundary has to be let's give it its own okay. So this is for the label. So we have the menu, now we have the items. So we have the class icons. I don't want to call it icons. Let's change this into this is the number one problem whenever you are coding. You will be having a hard time figuring out what name to use for your classes, IDs, and variables. Div class buttons. We have menu label, so let's try menu buttons. also the menu buttons. Oh, what happened? It destroyed everything. Wait, what's that? Oh, I'm putting CSS in the wrong area. So if we put it with absolute, it's destroying our let's try interchanging their position here. Then let's give menu buttons its first property. Position absolute. Okay, that seems nice. Okay, it's good, it's good. So we will be having those buttons. Wait a minute, what's the color of this one? Oh, we have to put the color brown on the boundary. Then let's put a different color for this one. Let's try. Let's try this one. So for now we don't have. Wait, what's my boundary again? Boundary is the container for the burger menu and burger close. Then the other button should have the same well, it's my naming is a bit off. So let's try and put button here. Oh, it's so I think it's because of the position. So the boundary, and below it there is the above it, I mean. Oh, it doesn't have the menu buttons. Oh, let's try button instead of the menu button. Okay, that's better. Wait, it doesn't have a height. Menu buttons. Let's try negative margin. Okay, it's there, guys. It's right there behind. Everything is okay so far. I think we can add the animations now. Actually, I like this one also. There's a bouncy. But maybe I'll just take some inspiration from it, but not everything. So let's go back here. So let's margin auto, button, material icon. Oh, this is how they do it. What we have here is this one. Span, menu label. So that's how you change color. Let's use black for now. Okay, the button, the back shadow for buttons. So the animation is here. WebKit transition. Bezier curves. Button first child. So they are applying this property to all buttons except the first one. Why? Oh, of course. The first button is this one. Okay. So we don't need that. I don't think we need that one. So what's this? Transition delay. So they have this. WebKit transition. So is this the positioning? Oh, okay, this is the positioning. I think we only need two. So let's do this for now. pasting over here seems to have no effect. I'm not sure yet. So let's start with first. So the first button class under menu buttons. Directly under. Its default position should be at the why is it top left? Wait a minute. Yes, this one is okay. Let's find our input toggle check. Maybe I think it's the same. Oh, it's the same. So instead of show menu, where is it? Menu label. So we are using menu buttons. Span burger close. So menu button. So we are calling the oh, it's a class. Why did I use class for this? It should have been an ID. Where are the others? We have to change. ID. Where's the other menu buttons? Oh, my menu buttons doesn't have any use yet except for this. So let's try again. Okay. First child. Menu buttons. Under menu buttons there is a span. And it's even directly under. But let's try this one first. Yucks. What was that? Let's put back the transition. Hi, you're new. Jeremiah Benjamin. I don't know how to pronounce that name. Aviraj Yadav. Shout out to Jeremiah Benjamin and Abiraj Yadav. Hello, welcome to the live stream. We are currently studying. We are doing some practice. The delay looks very ugly. Let's... Oh, it's because of the base there. Okay. It should have been this one. Okay, let's try again. Oh, it's not. It's much worse. Where is the output? Opacity 1, opacity 100, opacity 0, z index. Oh, it was a z index. So I think this transition doesn't belong here. That transition belongs to the menu label span burger close. It's a bit delayed. Or maybe it's because it's not the first element, probably. It was supposed to be the first one. Let's try and read the position. So top, top negative 100 pins. Okay. So the others were this one has 3. Oh, it has 6. Run the code. The code is already running. So far it does that. But I'm having a problem with my delays. I think it's because of the transition. Is there even a 0? Nope. It starts with 1. Anyway, let's just... Oops. So this one is the delay. Oh, I should have copied the... Okay, I get it now. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it's more snappy now. So let's get the others. Oops. Then let's copy and paste this. Actually, we don't have 9, so it doesn't matter. We'll just comment out the others. We only need 4 for the meantime. So we have the first one, we have the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Oops. We don't have a fifth, but let's just change this for future use. 7, oops. 8. Okay. Then we will be copying also the I think I would like to copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 8. Eight and 9 for this one. So for the meantime, we have this. Oh, we forgot. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's try. Hey, wait. Oh, we haven't changed the... It's buggy. The fourth one is not appearing, so let's use this one as the fourth one for the meantime. Let's try 75 and 75. No, wait. Let's try this one. Somewhere. Wait a minute. Hey, why is this like this? Archie, hello. Welcome to the live stream. So we are currently having a problem with the why does not jump? I do not know which one, so let's try putting names for the meantime. So one what? So why is two over there? Okay. Okay, let's fix the numbering first. So 4 is 2. 2 is 4. 3 is 3. Something like this. 1 oh. Have to interchange 2 and 3. Okay, so far so good. Let's try again. Okay, I guess that's it. So we will be fixing the layout more tomorrow. So that's it for now. It's now functioning quite well. So I guess that's that. So see you guys. See you next session. So if you would like to get notified, please subscribe and follow, so that whenever we are live, you will get the notification. That's it for now. See you next time again. Goodbye.